This is some examples of Touch7, which is a new technology which was just released into the marketplace. These samples were printed on a Acuity printer with CMYK only. And what's going on in the industry is everyone's talking about extended color gamut. And that's great when you're talking about vector color, and there's a lot of color management, ICC, etc. However, what Touch7 has done here is created a Photoshop plugin to help the designer utilize extended color gamut. And again, just because it says extended color gamut doesn't always mean you have to have the green, orange, and the red printers. Again, this is often Acuity, and what I want to show you is a few samples of what was done. So on the bottom, you have the original RGB image converted to CMYK. On the top, it's using the same information, and all this was done is the separation was then done with Touch7. And in this case, it was using an orange and a green. And if you look at the samples here, you can see a dramatic difference in the reds and in the greens. So that's just one sample that was done. Here's another image. And if you look at here, these Christmas ornaments, again, here is with Touch7. And down here is just the original RGB image converted to CMYK. Here, the designer, what's really key is they wanted to make a change into the blues, and so they used the violet button with regard to our plug-in tools. And since he only used the violet, or she, it only changed the images in the blue. It did not affect the golds or the other parts of the image. Again, I want to thank Touch7 or Novachrome for producing these samples. Here's another image. Again, you can see a dramatic difference not only in the car, but also in the orange, where this is really a light orange. Now this is the orange that can really boost it. And another image we have is, this is a vegetables. What's great about the Touch7 technology is when you tell it, in this case, it says wanted orange, green, and violet, it looked throughout the whole image and it automatically created the mask versus the designer having to think about where they wanted to create the mask and doing those masks manually. So this took, depends on the processor speed of your computer, but this only took a few seconds. And this is an example of some birthday balloons. Again, Touch7 on the top and without Touch7 on the bottom. Again, Touch7, great new technology. You can go to touch7.co and download a free copy, which is available for you to test for 7 days. This one right here, the designer added some orange, wanted to add orange. What's nice is the chain was only made in the dress and the headset here. It did not affect the tonal faces or tonal range of the face. So again, these are one mouse clicks. It's Touch7. Go to www.touch7.co.